Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is an update from Indian Army Technical Recruitment. Yes, when you will go to the official website joinindianarmy.nic.in, here you can see one latest update is there. Short Service Commission Technical Man and Woman. Okay, download the PDF. You are having the option to download. Published date today 16 July only. When I will click here, this detailed advertisement will be open. So let's check it out. Applications are invited from the eligible unmarried male and unmarried female engineering graduates. Okay, for grant of short service commission SSC in the Indian Army. Course will be commenced in the April 2025 at Pre-Commissioning Training Academy PCTA. Okay, this is clearly mentioned. 64th Short Service Commission Technical Man, April 2025, and 35th Short Service Commission Technical Woman course is there. Okay, now let's check it out. What is the eligibility criteria? Nationality can be either Indian or Nepal or person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Burma, it is mentioned. So first is the Indian only. Now, when I will go for the age limit for SSC Tech, 64 men and SSC, W Tech 35 woman, 20 to 27 years as on the 1st April 2025, dear students. Okay, now when you are going for the next one here, education qualification for applying. So candidates who have passed the requested engineering degree course, I will show you which engineering streams are eligible here, or are in the final year of engineering degree course are eligible for applying here. So don't worry, if you are in the final year, then in this case up to the 1st April 2025 you need to show your engineering degree or your all semester examination mark sheet. Okay, then you are eligible. This is clearly mentioned. Now it is again mentioned that and produce the engineering degree certificate within the 12 weeks from the date of commencement of training at the pre-commissioning training academy. Okay, now one very important note is mentioned: all final year appearing candidates whose final year or final semester exam will be scheduled after 1st April are not allowed. Okay, dear student, this is clearly mentioned here. So now those candidates who have yet to qualify in the final year degree examination are allowed to appear for SSB. Should note that this is only a special concession given to them. Okay, they are required to submit proof of passing engineering degree as I told you already. Okay, so what is this for? For induction to pre-commissioning training academy after final selection, the minimum education qualification is passing BTech degree in the engineering streams notified below, which I will show you. Okay, now when I'm coming to the next one here, final semester, about this is mentioned clearly. If you are in final semester, you need to show your 6th semester or 3rd year of engineering degree like this one up to the marks of 3rd year or 6th semester. Okay, now after the declaration of final result, then you need to show your cumulative percentage also. Now, when I'm coming to the next one, vacancies. Yeah, let's check it out, the number of vacancies here. So first of all, this is for SSC Tech 64 men. In civil stream, okay, engineering stream listed in AI. These are this one, equivalent branches. So equivalent branches means civil engineering, structural engineering, all these are equivalent. And number of vacancies are here 75. When you will go for the next one, the next one is, I think I missed the CS, computer science, right? So in computer science, number of vacancies are 60. These are the allied branches. You can check it out. When I'm going for the next one is electrical, number of vacancies are 33. Allied branches are this one, it is mentioned. Okay. When I will go for the electronics, these are the allied branches. Number of vacancies are 64, my dear students. Okay, similarly, we can see for the mechanical also, these are the allied branches and number of vacancies are 101, 101. Okay, and one is there for the miscellaneous also. Miscellaneous means the mix. So in the mix, it's mentioned which branches are eligible. So in this case, number of vacancies are, I think, 17. So overall, there are 350 vacancies for the men, unmarried men. Okay, for women, if you will just check it out branch wise, just like civil, okay, computer science, electrical, electronics, mechanical, and miscellaneous, number of vacancies are 29 here. Okay, yes, here it is mentioned for the woman this is 29, for the man this is 350. Okay, now, okay, when we are going for the next one here, the candidate is permitted to apply for only one entry or discipline all of the above courses. Okay, it's not be change of qualification will not be entertained at any of the stage. Okay, it's mentioned about the widows of the Indian Army also. It clearly mentioned how you need to proceed. Okay, when I'm going for the type of commission, this, let's have a discussion that how you will get selected. So type of commission, grant of commission. Those selected candidates will be granted short service commission on probation in the rank of lieutenant. So you will directly get the post of lieutenant here from the date of commencement of the course or the date of reporting at PCTA. Okay, ji, whichever is later. Okay, pay and allowances will be accordingly. Now, when I'm coming to the next one, confirmation of SSC. What is this? On successful completion of pre-PCTA, officer will be confirmed SSC in the rank of the lieutenant. Okay. Now, entry date, seniority, it's mentioned 1 year. Entry date, seniority from the date of commission. So, this will be later on. You can understand. No entry date, seniority. Please just check it out, each and every detail also. Now, after that, the training will be there. Selected candidates will be detailed for the training at Officers Training Academy according to their position in the final order of merit. Okay, engineering or stream wise. Then duration of training will be 49 weeks, and in this training also you will get the stipend. So training at PCTA is at government expenses. It's clearly mentioned. Suitability to retain SSC. It's mentioned liability of services. Some terms and conditions are also there. You can just check it out. This one. Okay, so and when I'm coming to the next one, the promotion criteria. Yes, now first of all, when you will get direct here as a post of lieutenant, after 2 years you can promoted as a captain also. After 6 years you can get promoted as a major also, lieutenant colonel also, and so on. So you are having a great chance for promotion also, for regular basis promotion also. Okay, and yeah, surely in terms of the increment in the pay scale also, the pay scale will be level 10, and in this it will be 56,100 to 1,77,500 initially for the lieutenant. Okay, yeah, other than this you will get the military service pay also 15,500 per month. Fixed stipend also you will get 56,100 per month. Okay, so this will be the stipend during the training period. So official grant. Okay, sorry, the qualification grant. What is here? You need to go with the BTech only required. Now, when I'm coming to the other allowances, you will get the other allowances also. Para reserve allowances, dearance allowances, technical allowances are also mentioned here. So this is surely a very good pay scale also. You can see, dear students, uniform allowances, transport allowances are mentioned here. Okay, children education allowances are also there. Hostel subsidy is also there. Insurance is also there. Okay, so how to apply? This is the important thing. How to apply? For applying, you need to go to the joinindianarmy.nse.in, which I show you this website. You need to go on this one. When you will go there, you need to go to the officer entry or apply login, and then click on the registration, and you can just proceed the system also, whatever it is showing. You need to show your Aadhaar card, mark sheets, okay, all the details you need to submit, and you need to just fill the application form, my dear students. Okay, now when I'm coming to the next thing is selection procedure. This is an important thing. So shortlisting of applications, integrated headquarter of MOD Army reserve the right to shortlisting applications. Okay, first they will shortlist your applications on the basis of your BTech marks. Okay, then they will call you for the interview, then the medical examination will be also there. And to fix cutoff percentage of marks for each engineering discipline stream without assigning any reason. The cutoff will be applied in each stream on the cumulative percentage of marks obtained by the candidates. Okay, so now final semester or year studying candidates will be provisionally allowed to appear in SSB. SSB stands here for the Service Selection Board. Okay, subject to following conditions. Their cumulative percentage of marks means if you are in the final year, then you need to check these details also. Okay, now after that they will just allot you the centers for the interview also. So center allotment, after shortlisting of applications, the center allotment will be intimated to the candidate via their email. Okay, and then here it's mentioned it will be allotted by the selection centers. The option to select the dates for SSB by candidates may be 45 due to occurrence of any exceptional circumstance or events. Okay, only shortlisted eligible candidates, depending on the cutoff percentage, will be interviewed at one of the selection center. So it's clearly mentioned, depending on the cutoff percentage, you will be selected for the interview, dear students, and the centers are mentioned here. Okay, now in this case, candidates will put after that will be put through two-stage selection procedure. Those who clear stage 1 will go to the stage 2. Those who fail in stage 1, they will not proceed for the stage 2. Okay, and duration of SSB interviews will be 5 days. So here, general of recruitment, here you can see all the details will be available here. Details of the same are available on the official website of General of Recruiting. Okay, at the joinindianarmy.nic.in. Candidates recommended by the SSB and declared medically fit will be issued joining letter for the training in the order of merit. Okay, bachcho. So this is clearly mentioned here कि they will shortlist you for on the basis of your engineering score, engineering marks, percentage. Then they will call you for the interview, and then the medical exam, means then the two-stage exam will be there. Two-stage selection process will be there, which is not mentioned till now. And after that, medical examination will be there, and then you will get the final official or final joining letter. Okay, please visit what is the criteria for the medical standards. You can just check it out on the official website, Join Indian Army here. Okay, so I think everything is clear. I just cover all the thing. Yeah, first of the very important thing is here dates. Yes, so here you can see online application will be open from the 16th July, as today at 3 o'clock it's already started, and the last date will be 14th August 2024 at 3 o'clock again. So please check it out, the complete detail at this website, so you will have a more idea. If you are having a dream to work at Indian Army, yes, being an engineer, you are having this option to work there. Check it out and go through, dear students. And still, if you not subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe it, press the bell icon, and you can join our Telegram group also. Link is mentioned in the description box. If you are preparing for GATE exam, GATE 2025 or 2026, you can join I Must GATE Academy live online program. Okay, all the details are mentioned in the description box. For more inquiry, you can directly book the free counseling session with our student advisory team. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. Bye.